You know, get that scene on the score clock up there.
Fellow Newfoundlander Dawson Mercer said earlier, gold, Canada versus USA, right after this.
Two hard losses in 07 and 09. After an opening 5-3 loss to Russia, the United States.
We've got a new build in the shop. Let's get a proper introduction for this bus. We don't have a name yet, but it is a 40-foot pusher, international body, and international frame. Steer plug on the driver's side, right? You guys are gonna get a good look at what goes on from start to finish on this build. Right now, the guys are starting all their framing, subfloor, and all the planning. Because the one thing he's waiting on is his batteries. First thing we do on all these builds is treat the floor. I'll give you guys a little bit of a look at that at the back of the bus here. Next, we want to pull out the windows. So these always leak. Christian right now is working on some planning, it looks like. He is laying out all the window deletes. So anywhere where there is gonna be walls covering, those windows get deleted, insulated, and sealed. Let's give you guys a good look at how we insulate our floor system. The rest is already covered. I was too late. But we use 1.5" rigid across the base. Underneath that though is this blue skin stuff. So that is an asphalt / rubberized coating. It's going to be completely waterproof. Any other penetrations to follow are going to seal up. Step 1, this blue skin stuff. Step 2, rigid. 1.5" rigid. Obviously, thicker insulation, better value you're going to get. Step 3, we use a 3/4 inch tongue and groove OSB. And that's what you guys are going to be seeing all across the floor here. Gives you a good solid base to screw to. Let's go check in with Christian here and see what he's working on. What do we got, Big Guy?
I'm trying to figure out our cabinet layout so that we can get some kicks down on the floor.
So we start with kicks first. That allows us to lay all our plumbing, a little bit of electrical, any of our venting. Gets to go down before any of our cabinets go in. Allows all the guys to be in here working all at once. So many things are happening in these early stages, but let's find out what the boys like to work on. Christian, favorite step?
My favorite step, putting the cabinets and our finish appliances and shit in, because it just finishes and ties everything together at the end.
Guy's a finisher. Geeman.
I like doing what I'm doing right now. Lots of progress gets done real quick. Looks awesome.
And let's go find, where is Cole hiding? Cole, what's your favorite step in the builds?
What's that?
Favorite step in the build? Go. He's our go-to for all our fabrication and systems.
Yeah. First day is my favorite day because it's exciting because it's new.
Now we just have Frank left. There he is. What's your favorite step?
My favorite step is installing the off-grid system.
All right, so here's our electrician. He does all of our solar systems, all of our wiring, all the work, so. today we have Market Signs here. They are doing a shower vinyl install. That's Kayla. I just got back from a supply run and the vinyl wrap is complete. Check that out. We got a waterfall in a shower. The blue comes off and is actually brushed aluminum. About the most satisfying part. Thank you to Kayla at Market Signs. Let's check out the van. So same deal on this one. We got some brushed aluminum tied in with a custom graphic.